Hi there, welcome to the video. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about a very cool feature that GoHighLevel released on the Level Update 2025. And that is voice AI in chat widget. So I know you may be confused because I was confused as well, because what the hell is voice AI in chat widget? Because they're two separate things. But hear me out, I'll explain that. What if you have a chat widget created inside GoHighLevel that you have embedded on your funnel or website or anywhere, and people are able to click on that chat widget and make a phone call without having a phone number? So that phone call will happen via web, not an actual phone call. So that's basically what voice AI in chat widget is. When the caller makes a call by clicking on that chat widget and clicking on call us, the call will happen via web, and the voice agent that you have implemented in the account will pick it up. Let's do a demo. We have a GoHighLevel account here. I'm using my own account in this example. Now, the first thing we need to do is go to AI agents, go to voice AI, and make sure we have an active AI agent install. So right now you can see I have an active AI agent called my agent 894. And if you want to see how I implemented this voice AI agent, watch my video. I will link that in the description as well. As soon as you have this agent implemented on this sub account, what you can do is you can start creating your voice AI chat widget. So I'll go to sites and I will go to chat widget. Let's hit new. You can see there's a new option called voice AI. Let website visitors talk to an AI agent that listens, speaks, and handles conversations for you 24/7, no human needed. That's exactly what we need. We will just first name it voice AI chat widget. And there's a few customizations you can go through, like styles, the chat prompt. Is it sticky? Is it embedded? You can change the icons, the colors, the welcome messages. So instead of text us here, call us, or voice chat here, that's more compelling in it. So if you do widget customization, you can choose your avatar. Right now it's a lady. You can choose a gent as well, but it depends on you. And then you can select the placement. So once it's done, you can just go to chat window and then adjust the title and intro. This is the button text. So if they click on the chat widget, it will pop up like this, and this is their button that they need to click on to voice chat with your voice AI agent. There's additional options. So I'll just turn off agency branding. That's not needed. We can turn off HIPAA compliance as well. We don't need that for now. Language will be United States in this example, and there are other languages here as well. Agent, here you need to select that agent that you implemented on the voice AI bit. I am selecting my agent 894 because this is already ready, implemented, ready for action. So I'll just name this agent Eliza or something. So you can see it changed here, Eliza support agent, and I'll just save it. Hey everyone, just wanted to take a quick moment to share my School community, where if you join, you get to ask me questions about issues you're facing on GoHighLevel Ads Automation AI. You can also be a part of the weekly coaching sessions where I conduct training on many different topics, and we do a Q&A session after that. Besides, you get free access to a lot of my courses that I'm not uploading on YouTube anymore. Some of them you can already see on the screen. Also, there are members only discounts. So if you join, you get 50% off on my courses, my snapshots, my funnels, everything. That's pretty much what I want to share. See you on the other side. Now, if you want to embed this on your website that's not on GoHighLevel, like we want to embed it on our WordPress website, what we need to do for that is hit get code and copy this code and paste it on your website's footer section. So if you want to use a plugin for WordPress like WP Code, there's Header Footer Code Manager, there's code snippets, lots of plugins out there which you can use to embed this code on the footer section. So it must be in the body section of the website. So if you want to see how it works, how to embed this code, just do a quick Google how to install external codes on my WordPress website, or how to install external code on the footer section of my Wix website or Squarespace website, for example, depending on what website you have. However, if you wanted to embed it on a website created in this GoHighLevel account, or a funnel created in this GoHighLevel account, that's really easy. So we will just go back from here and go to funnels. Let's just do a quick demo on a funnel. I have a funnel called business development. So what I need to do now is go to settings, and where it says chat widget, I'll just select the chat widget I just created. I'm basically activating that chat widget on this funnel. Anyone visits this funnel page, they will get to see the chat widget. There we go. So if you click on this, it will say call us here. So if I make a phone call.
Hey, you have reached Hasib Ashad. How can I help you today?
Hey there, is it possible to book an appointment with Hasib?
Thanks for reaching out. While I can't book an appointment directly, I'll make sure a team member gets back to you.
I mean, you get the drill, right? So the voice AI's behavior or its flow of work will fully depend on how you implemented the voice AI agent. Do watch that video in the description if you want to see how I implemented the voice AI agent. But this is how the chat widget works. And good thing is I don't actually need a phone number, and I can make a phone call without a phone number from my desktop, from my tab, from my phone, any device I like. As long as I can visit this page from a device, I can make a phone call over the web. So that's how the voice AI functionality works in the chat widgets. And hopefully it was useful. Do implement it on your website or on your phone. Let me know how it goes. And let me know if you have any questions or issues you run up with. And then, yeah, that's pretty much what I wanted to share in this video. I'll see you in the next one.